Good morning, students. Hi, today, welcome back. So, we're going to do module 4, and in commerce 4, we're doing is production planning and inventory. And in Piles Easy Commerce, we start today is what is the meaning of production. So, looking at the about diagram, there are various inputs that can be in the form of information, management, land and labor, material and capital, which you will put it in your organization. Then that gets transformed into goods and services. So, basically, production refers to a sequence of operations that transforms units or inputs into a desired form of output. It is a process by which raw materials are transformed into semi-finished goods and semi-finished goods into the finished items. So to understand this topic more better, we are starting with is objectives of production management. So the first objective of production management is to it improves the quality. When I'm talking about the quality, what are we doing is see like for example, every customer has a requirement. Quality differs from person to person. Some people are always that I want the premium, I want the best thing, I don't care, I'm not going to compromise. And for some, they would probably negotiate with a B quality or a C quality. So, to improve quality, as when I'm talking about your own company or your own industry, they would see that where are they catering to. Based on that, they will improve the quality either B or A or C depending upon what they have. The second point that we are doing is to reduce cost of production. When I'm talking about to reduce cost of production, there is extreme competition, okay, in the market. So companies have to focus on cost reduction. Now, whenever they realize that their demands have increased, okay, and if their demands have increased, then there will definitely be mass scale production. So when there is mass scale production, there is going to have economies of scale, and that is going to reduce the cost of production. Now, like see for example, when I'm talking about cars, okay, now in things like cars, if I'm looking for a very luxurious cars, that means something which is around 1 CR and all, they are not going to deal in mass. They are going to only dealing in class. Even if they sell 5 cars a year, that is okay for them. Are you understanding? So in that case, when it's like a niche or it's something like for very luxurious things, this cost of production is not going to be a thing. But when I'm talking about pens, I'm talking about daily essentials, I'm talking about clothes, I'm talking about things, those kind of firms definitely aims at to reduce the cost of production. मुझे बहुत जनों को ये बेचना है, मुझे sales increase करना है. When you are having commodities which are on a regular base, those kind of commodities fills under the mass scale, and they are going to have is to reduce cost of production. The third point I have is to gain competitive advantage. Now, when I'm talking about, ऐसा नहीं है कि I am 100 years old firm, so मेरा कभी downfall नहीं हो सकता है. There is a wrong thing. I will always be in competition, and there are many firms which are going to come. Now, for example, somebody like Colgate, who is more than 120 years or whatever, you will see even they come up with various flavors. मतलब नॉर्मल कोलगेट है, कोलगेट टोटल 12 है, कोलगेट दिस है, कोलगेट वेट शक्ति है, कोलगेट चारकोल है, so there are so many different flavors. And why are they doing it? Because they want to gain that competitive advantage. If my competitors have 7 flavors, I will have 10 flavors. Matlab my customer has to be happy with me. Okay. Then I have is to gain uh, to gain corporate image. Now when I'm talking about to gain corporate image, I'm talking about is I want to have an image, like I want to make my own brand. For example, Society Tea, matlab it be like one of the best image it has. When I'm talking about Lipton, Red Label, they all have that corporate image about their brand. Okay. Then I have is to ensure regular supply. एज अ फर्म मुझे ऐसा काम नहीं करना है जहां पे मैंने 2 दिन दिया और 5 दिन नहीं दिया, अरे मेरा आउट ऑफ स्टॉक है, मेरा आउट ऑफ स्टॉक है. यू कैन नॉट हैव लाइक दैट. I have to make sure that I will have to have regular supply every now and then. The sixth point I have done is to satisfy customers. Now see, for example, very, very important thing is known as brand loyalty. ये brand loyalty क्या होता है? Repeated customers मेरे पास आते रहते हैं, उसको बोलते हैं brand loyalty. I'll give you the example. That would be Parle-G biscuits, Vita Marie. There would be customers. कहाँ पे भी हो, traveling में भी हो, 2 रुपए का या 5 रुपए का पैकेट आपको easily कहाँ ना कहाँ मिल जाएगा. And that is because brand loyalty. कुछ नहीं खाने को मिला. Okay, milk, biscuit, milk, चाय, milk, coffee. Also ये तुम्हारा 2 घंटा पूरा जर्नी निकल जाएगा. So that is known as to satisfy customers. उसके बाद there is a new thing to support other functional areas. Are you understanding? What are the other functional areas? Marketing है, personnel है, finance है. So if we talk about marketing, so मैं किस तरीके से मेरे products market कर पाऊंगी? Okay. Then I have is if I am having finance, how will I have more finance? How will I have more sales pouring in? So that is to support other functional areas. Then I have is the 8th point, to introduce new products. Okay. R&D hai. A firm can develop a new and improve products. Matlab, you will see that these Colgates and all, they spend crores of money on R&D. क्या नया आएगा, क्या आएगा, कौन से तरीके से my customers will be more happy. That is known as R&D. ये बहुत जो MNCs होती है, they spend crazy amount of money on R&D. उसके बाद I have is to expand business. When I'm talking about to expand business, I'm talking about is from logic level to regional level, from regional level to national level, from national level to international level. ऐसा नहीं है कि मेरा फर्म कभी उतना लेवल पे कर नहीं पाएगा. It takes years to build a brand. वो एक दिन में वो इंटरनेशनल लेवल पे नहीं पहुंचने वाला है. So that is known as to expand business. उसके बाद to make optimum use of resources. Now what are these resources? We've kept doing this. Physical resources, capital resources, manpower, all of that comes under to make optimum use of resources. The 11th point I have is to motivate employees. So motivate employees कैसा होता है? Yes, आप कर पाओगे. Yes, money, you are going to reach your target. Yes, thing, ये थोड़ा difficult है, या yes, Dwayne, ये थोड़ा difficult है, लेकिन आप ये कर पाओगे. Because अभी मैंने for example, मैंने एक employee को बोला कि आपको 400 units 1 month में sell करने वाले. ये थोड़ा difficult target है. Okay? ठीक है, he tried 250. So sir बोले very good, but you can still reach 300. Okay, 300 है, लेकिन within 4 months उसने 450 का टारगेट अचीव कर लिया. मतलब हर एक मंथ के हिसाब से. तो उसके एवरेज के हिसाब से he did 325. So what is that known as? To motivate the employees that you can go beyond. Nothing is impossible. The word impossible itself is I am possible. So that is known as to motivate the employees. Then this is known as the 12th point we are doing is to reduce customer complaints. When I'm talking about reducing customer complaints, there is something known as customer grievance. ये क्या होता है? To improve upon the customer grievances, specifications, कि क्या चाहिए, क्या मैंने क्या ऑर्डर किया था, क्या मुझे वो हिसाब से मेरे मिला है, नहीं मिला है, or were you happy, you are unhappy. That is known as to reduce consumer complaints. Okay, there are these consumer redressal courts. They are known as consumer courts, state level, national commission. So they are there to solve the purpose अगर customers आपके product से unhappy है तो. The 13th point is to achieve organizational objectives. Now when I'm talking about organizational objectives, ऑर्गेनाइजेशन के क्या ऑब्जेक्टिव्स हो सकते हैं? नंबर 1, to increase in market share, to increase in profits, to increase in sales, to have a better image, to have a better customer relationships. They are known as achieving the organizational objectives. Thank you, students. And the data for the same I have taken from Manan Prakashan and Vipul Prakashan. Thank you, students, for listening.